We began Art Rickshaw with the motto of making art accessible to all, to create a safe space where like-minded individuals could freely express themselves. Hi, I'm Devanshi Rungta. I'm 23 years old. I've been born and brought up in Kolkata, and I'm here today to share with you my journey as the co-founder of Art Rickshaw. We started this journey around 4 years ago, back when I was a first year college student, and at that time I didn't have an art degree or any practical knowledge or experience as to how to run a business. Neither did me nor my mum, but I think the one thing that has gotten us from there till here today has been our undying love and passion for what we do. What is Art Rickshaw? We are essentially an art school and gallery located out of South Kolkata. We conduct regular art classes for all demographics along with different types of interesting workshops. One of the more exciting projects we've had the fortune to curate and organize is Eastern India's only street art festival called CalFest. It's a one-day event and has gained a lot of prominence in its last 3 editions. One of the more interesting questions we get is that why are we called Art Rickshaw? My co-founder, who also happens to be my mother, came up with the name. She believes that rickshaw is a chariot for moving forward and also a huge part of our city's cultural legacy. Of course, the word art, because everything we do has to do with art. And hence, as an enterprise, it became a symbol for moving or pushing art forward. Art Rickshaw for me has always had 2 sides. One is the art creative aspect, where I get to be creative, where I get to be innovative, have fun and create these user-driven art installations and experiences. And the other is of course the business side. Over the last few years, some of the skills that I've acquired are how to manage negotiations, how to manage our finances, how to hire as well as fire people, the importance of teamwork as well as hard work, how to micromanage while also trusting people enough to delegate, patience, hard work, persistence and honesty, and knowing that it's okay to make mistakes and going home with some lessons learned. These are few of the skills that I've acquired along the way and continue to do so on a daily basis.